Hey, good morning, Bill. So yeah, we are at SeaBear in Anacortes. There's gifts for the dogs. There's supplements as well. But let's get to the good stuff, the stuff that we really want to eat. I'm here with CEO Mike Mondello. We got salmon, and you guys have been in business for like over 60 years.
Well, over 60 years, yep.
So tell me about all this food, and can I try it?
You are going to try. Here we go.
Yeah.
So this is our Smokehouse Tasting Flight, where we give an experience of different things from the smokehouse.
So it's not just me that gets this. Anyone can get this.
Anybody can get this.
Okay, all right.
Here, and then we're also going to be launching it in Seattle at our Pike Place Market Made in Washington store at the end of the month. So we have a lox, we have a Pacific Northwest style smoked salmon, a smoked Alaskan weather vane scallop, halibut that's been smoked and then put into a mousse, and finally our smokehouse slider.
Mike, let me ask you a question. I thought lox and salmon, I thought these were the same thing. What's the
They
difference?
are very different. So most people around the country know smoked salmon as lox.
Okay.
I grew up in the East Coast, and that's what everybody thinks of.
Sure, I'm from the Midwest. Yeah, same thing.
But in the Pacific Northwest, our tradition for centuries now has been Pacific Northwest style, which is fully cooked and moist and flaky. So let's try these two first, and so you can see.
Okay.
I'll tell you what you're tasting. So that's our lox.
Do I eat the whole thing?
Please.
Okay.
Well, whatever you'd like.
Twist my arm.
Okay. So
I've never really said no to food.
So that's a lox, a nice silky smooth texture, right? It's cured but not cooked. That's what lox is. So it's smoked.
Cured but not cooked.
Right, smoked at a low heat.
This is different.
That's different. That is smoked at a high heat, so that's SeaBear's Pacific Northwest style. And smoked at high heat, cooked while it's smoking, and flaky and moist. And what you've just tried is our new garlic lovers. So I hope you're a garlic lover.
I'm a garlic lover, but anyone that comes near me for the rest of the day might not appreciate all this garlic.
That's
but it's
okay.
so good.
Yes.
You had mentioned that, again, you can do this here in Anacortes, also in Seattle. Tell me about how you guys are launching this in Seattle.
So we're remodeling our Pike Place Market Made in Washington store, and we're going to be putting in a deli case, and we're going to have all of our smoked salmon available there, and we'll be having the Smokehouse Tasting Flight, so people can come down and for a very minor sampling fee, try all of this.
Try all this. We're going to go back where they're filleting all the salmon, and we're actually going to get to work coming up next hour, but we're spending the entire morning here in Anacortes. Guys, back on over to you.